Coming up on the Crazy Jamaican Boy podcast.
More and know more about Conroy. Have you always wanted to be in media and just do entertainment?
I actually hated talking to people.
There you go.
I hated crowds. I hated being around anybody at all.
What the wickedest thing a woman ever do?
Well, everybody get bunny come on now, so you're not really that wicked at this point. It's wicked, but it's normal.
Have you ever been the side piece? The man on the side?
They must have wondered what kind of Anansi-Man this. Listen.
Hey guys, I don't know, this is your boy Anthony. We're back again for another episode of the Crazy Jamaican Boy podcast. You don't know it go already. Before we start everything, like the video, alright? Share it, comment, and if you haven't as yet, make sure to subscribe, alright? Alright. So I don't know, there, very special guest right here.
Anansi-Man in the building.
Alright, you don't know him as Anansi-Man. Some call him the Jamaican Spider-Man.
No, but no, scrap that name there. Anansi-Man, my name.
Alright, Anansi-Man. Now we're going to talk to the man behind the mask, Conroy. Conroy, big up yourself. We're going thanks for coming to the podcast.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing to be here, man.
Alright, man, you don't know. I see you come out in a costume and new thing.
Yeah, well,
yeah, man.
I have to. Like, it's not everybody knows me outside the costume, but some people do. I heard somebody, I actually took a taxi the other day and somebody say, I know your voice. And I'm like, okay, this is kind of going too far now.
Jano Star, real celebrity, you know. Guys, you see, before we even start that interview, yeah, there was a line of kids wanting to take some pictures with him, I tell you, man. So that interview, I kind of have to put on pause, you know, so the man can take the picture and say, hey, celebrity, you know, big celebrity, this number up on the podcast, you know.
Well, so them say.
That's cool, no, man. So he might be modest now. He might be modest with it. So now tell me now, though, Conroy, what made you decide to come up with Anansi-Man?
Well, I was doing a Spider-Man concept, which is where the name Jamaican Spider-Man came from. So I used to wear the Marvel Spider-Man costumes and do the same thing I'm doing. But I was just thinking, how can I make it a little more authentic to Jamaica? When I sat and thought about it, Anansi was literally the first Spider-Man. And I'm like, okay, we're going to design a costume and we're going to make it all Jamaican colors.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to change the name to Anansi-Man. And that's what happened, literally.
Yo, you're there everywhere, you know, brother. You did that carnival, not true?
Yeah.
You must know me did see you, dog. Yeah, you can just say you're full of energy, you can do your backflip, them and all them something there.
Yeah, I've been in entertainment for a long time. So I've been in hotels and all of these things. Because this is an everyday thing for me, and I'm used to it. You know, I could probably dance for 24 hours. Literally 24 hours straight.
Brother, you see, know at my age, I can barely even move my Jano. Yeah, how much?
Yeah, how much? I not really watch. Yeah, I not really think about my age, you know. People don't really ask me that often, so now I have to think and do the calculation, you know. I think me have 28, I believe.
28.
Yeah,
all right.
I have one strand of gray hair right tonight.
Jano Star.
So I'm getting there.
Yeah, man.
So if I look for the new generation of Anansi-Man, I don't see anybody practicing out there.
You hear that, guys? He need fame successor, you see me? For sure, absolutely. All right, so now you're Anansi-Man and thing, you know, you've been viral a lot of times, right?
And more to come. There's a lot of
There you go, for sure. And I know that you have a movie in the works as well.
Yeah, we have an Anansi-Man movie coming up. I can't give a lot of details.
No bother with that.
What I can say is that it's based off me and my character. That's all I can say. So instead of going to pitch to Marvel, which we still can do, we're doing our own thing in the meanwhile. And if it happens, it happens. But I think you guys will love it. I think the audience will definitely love this. So look out for that. And also, that is where this is not my final costume. This is actually the prototype. My final costume is coming soon. And I can't even tell you guys. When it comes out, I'll explain the costume. But it's very similar to this. It's not like too much crazy of a difference, but the differences that are there make sense And you will understand when you see it. So watch out for the movie so you can see the new costumes, eh?
There you go, guys. I got that exclusive. But you can't tell me a little something, man. Like, when can we expect to get this movie to see it?
We're trying to film it maybe by the end of this month. Hopefully, unless something happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the
Alright.
aim. So
So-
I'm not sure. Other than that, I'm not sure.
So tell me how casting go. I settle on a cast. I don't want my, I put my hat in the ring, you know.
filmmaker that is doing it is the one doing that part. Of
All
stuff.
right.
He's gave me some names that sounds promising, but that's again I can't say. I can't talk.
Can't really talk about it. All right. But you know, just in case Anansi-Man need a right hand man and thing, me just throw my hat in the ring. You see
You
me?
can't fly. You can't fly. You look like one good bodyguard still.
We can get a stunt double. No, sir.
Yeah, that's true.
Can get a little stunt double, you know. But yeah, man, you don't know. Me, I look forward to the movie still, you know, because we definitely need stuff like that, especially in Jamaica. We have a rich culture, and that's why I'm glad for say, you know, you take on that, and you know, you really embrace the culture, and you know, I show it to the newer generation. And Anansi-Man,
Jamaica now, Jamaica we little but we Talawa.
with Talawa, there you go.
So even though we are a small country, we have a big name. Jamaica is not just a country; it's literally like a brand.
There
Like
you go.
me just having the flag on my chest is like me wearing Balenciaga. I'm telling you.
Yeah, man.
One thing I want to highlight, I want to make sure everybody make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know. Cause me I try to move to YouTube. Maybe we are gonna do a Caribbean tour like Speed too. I don't want to say like Speed because I plan it long time, but you see through him richer than we. That's why him can do it before me. So I don't want him say me a follow him.
True,
You know.
man. True.
Look at my
guys.
videos. You'll see me
There you
talking
go.
about it long time ago.
Long time, guys.
Yeah.
All right, his links, the links are gonna be in the description, guys. All right, so just check it out, man, and hit the subscribe button for sure. Yeah, definitely, man. But like I said, I love what I do, man. You know what I mean? Cause I know for them nowadays, them don't know about Anansi, you know, them don't know about the story of Anansi, you know, and just you just embracing the character and just being Anansi-Man, like I don't think you understand.
One thing
how
I
much
want
that
to
is for
say
the
about
culture.
the whole Anansi-Man character, well, the Anansi, like brother Anansi I'm talking about now. Now, when I was in primary school growing up, there used to be an Anansi storybook that like most schools will have. So most of us, I think I was probably the last generation that had it. That's back in like 2010, 2009 back then.
Oh, shit.
When I was in primary school. After that, I don't think it's in schools anymore. From my knowledge. Maybe there is schools that it's in that I don't know about. But I think it's dying out slowly. I think a lot of people still know it. But the younger kids, if I should approach a nowadays, what you call them? And a Gen Z them. What them?
The Gen Alphas.
Gen Alpha. If I should approach a Gen Alpha right now and ask them, what is Anansi? Them probably say me.
Yeah.
I show you that is definitely a
That's
good
true,
sign
dog.
because they don't know what brother Anansi
True,
is.
dog. Like we kind of drift away from our culture, you know, with history, with heritage.
Yeah.
And it just puzzling. That's why I'm glad to see people like, you know, you and then, you know, the Jamaican pencil chef and what I do for the culture. I think you understand like how much you know really you know, help to keep it alive, man. So that's why, you know, I have to salute you know, for real. More and know more about Conroy. All right. What was like your background growing up and thing? Have you always wanted to be in media and just do entertainment?
Watch them get shocked now. Look how never get shocked now. Remember, it's not thunderstorm, you know. The sun is out. Don't be shocked, all right? Watch me now. I actually hated talking to people.
There you go.
I hated crowds. I hated being around anybody at all. That's how I grew up. You know, crazy story, when I was in high school, even primary school, the teachers didn't know what I sound like. And I legit mean what I'm saying. Like, they didn't know what I sound like. When you go to parents-teacher meetings, my mom would go to it and they'll tell, like, Conroy, we don't even know his voice.
There you
I
go.
don't even say one single word when I just do the work, leave, go home. So I never really liked that type of stuff. I kind of just got into it after like, I think maybe like 9 to 11 grade in high school. I met up with like some Dancing Dynamite.
You were in Dancing Dynamite?
Well, technically at one point.
Were you like on the show itself?
Yeah, I did.
No,
one
man, I forgot look up that episode.
I did one appearance.
I forgot look up that
Strike
episode.
Team, and they actually won.
Yeah?
Yeah, they did.
Strike team.
Strike team.
All right, I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna
Yeah,
look it
but
up for sure.
We started off with my own squad, me and my cousin and some other friends.
Yeah.
After that, we were doing so well that D squad took us up. Right? D squad was one person who probably know from D squad right now is Mellow Vibes. I don't know. Most people know Mellow Vibes now. That was like D squad. He was one of the leaders from D squad. They took us up because I saw the potential, and from there I started doing some TV ads and some little things here and there. And then I slowly started to go on the internet and search how to talk to people, stuff like that, and learn it on my own. I legit learned everything I know now on my own and just developed the craft over time. Then I started doing like a hotel tour. I used to work at multiple hotels.
Yeah.
Like with a company called Silverbirds. So I play music actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I used to play music like Sandals, Iberia Star, all the Sandals by the way, all the Rios, like
Yeah.
almost all the hotel chains in Jamaica. I used to go around and flip and dance and play music. And I kind of got used to it over time. And then I just became this character. I started this in the hotel business also. Right? I used to do even yoga and stuff in my Spider-Man costume. And
Oh,
people used to love
shoot.
it. And I decided I wanted to do my own thing.
Yeah.
So I have the freedom to do whatever I want, because when I'm on property, there's so much rules. You can't do this, you can't do that.
That's very interesting, you know, to know that you were once introverted. Because I feel like a lot of people...
I'm 50-50. It depends on my mood.
So like omnivert then?
Well, I don't know what that is, but whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, man, for real, man. I feel like a lot of people, especially in the media world, I feel like a lot of them started out being introverted, right? And then them kind of, you know, work them way
it's a
into
way
being
to express
this.
yourself.
Yeah. Because even like with me, to me used to do this thing, you know, this whole content thing, you know, like way back when, like when me in high school, me have like real Jamaican girls, me have my own little web series and them little something. And me used to do everything, you know. And me I gotta tell you the truth, me as you wanna really like talk to people, me did very shy, me never really did just out there like that. You know what I mean? But like what you say, it's just something where you can just kinda like express yourself and put out your ideas, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's very, very good, man.
Yeah, because this character, all I'm doing, I don't really have to try. I'm literally just being me. Here comes some kids, so I'm sorry for you. Hopefully they're not sick. So we have a guy.
Yeah, man, the pit to them, man. Hey, them love him, man, guys. Them really, really love him. But yo, here's my thing though. What made you like kind of pivot to social media?
I feel like it naturally pulls you if you're doing content, really. As soon as you start doing content, you start doing social media.
You start doing
It
social
just
media.
naturally happens.
Yeah, and then your first viral video.
My first viral video was legit. I think it was the first time I went in the streets. And that was from like, I think 2020, like right before COVID hit.
Oh, yeah.
2019, 2020. Yeah, it's before COVID. But it wasn't this costume. It was the regular Spider-Man costume. So I went in the street. I did some flip. Super massively viral, man. I started getting bookings like in different islands and all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
And then COVID came.
And I just mash up your thing. Jano Star.
Basically, you know, everybody feel like them lost like 2 years of them life through COVID, because that 2 year nothing happened in Jamaica. Everything shut down, nothing.
Everything.
And I had to quit social media. I quit social media and I went to work at Rio for that 2 years until it cooled off. Then I came back and I started Anansi-Man.
So wait, hold on. Why did you quit social media?
Because you can't go outside, you can't make content, you can't do nothing. What's the point? My content wasn't like content I could sit in my house and do. My content is on the street, just like you see me do now. I go in the street and do stuff.
Yeah.
And they don't allow you to go outside. Curfew. It's like you forget, man. Curfew and all these things.
I'm gonna tell you the truth, dog. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Enough people never really dare follow curfew, you know. People is still out in the streets. You see me?
Listen, I am a law-abiding citizen.
Me too, you know, me too.
Cool.
Just for the record, guys. Just for the record, I am a law-abiding citizen too. But
we
look at
we got one illegal party still, but
all right, cut that. We're not gonna say. But yeah,
you can't do nothing about it. The kind I pass. The party used to go on all the time. I know me put it on, me just go. Yeah, COVID party, hot man, and police running and me jump wall, jump building all the time.
Yo, you can't believe that COVID was like 6 years ago. It feels like
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting old.
I can't believe that COVID was 6 years ago, dog. Like, me feel like I just yesterday. how do you deal with the fame, the popularity, like having to deal with, with popularity comes scrutiny, right? So how you deal with all of that now?
You see, it goes back to when I was learning about social media and learning about people and the psychology of people and all of this.
Yeah.
Because I learned so much information, I am not even bothered. I almost don't feel anything, which is kind of crazy. I just go about like a normal person, really. I don't really do anything different. I don't feel anything different, nothing.
Oh, okay.
I just have to just be myself and that's it. It's like easy work for me.
All right. But I know like outside of like, Anansi-Man and thing, you do acting and you do modeling as well. Like I'm noticed say you did now one big like top shoot, with big major international brands and even all the prime minister post you up on them Instagram. How you did feel about that?
Well, that was cool. I think that's one of the biggest deals I've done. Because that was the one I did with Arsenal and Adidas.
Yeah.
It was on Arsenal page too. It's still on there. If you search it, you might find it. It's on Arsenal page. I was on the front page of the Adidas website and Arsenal website. As soon as you open it, you see me. I have the screenshots. I have the screenshot. I know it wasn't going to be there forever.
Yeah.
I had the screenshot. I think all of that, and I saw multiple people were posting it, like all over the internet. I've seen my face everywhere. It's kind of cool. The coolest part of that was the fact that I got the job. Because the job itself, you had to audition. It's not like they just call me and say, hey, no, I got the opportunity because I have an agent. Big up KBC Talent, right?
Oh, Karine, right?
Yeah, Karine.
Big up Karine.
So they just point you to the right direction. You have to do the audition and they decide if you like it. If they like it.
If they like it.
So the fact that I did the audition, they liked it over everybody else. That really just makes
and
me
it's
feel
super
like,
competitive, man. Cause KBC not just like KBC kind of open to the public. And the fact say you get it. It says a lot, man. It says a lot. You just have that star power there.
Yeah, it just means that, people actually do out there really respect the talent and see it, recognize. That's really what I got from it. Recognition.
Yeah,
I would say
recognition and thing. And I mean, I'm sure you're open to do more. Like just limit yourself to just like Anansi-Man and thing, right? You want to do
no,
more.
I still do everything at once. I did the Anansi-Man stuff. I still work with Karine. I do the movies and music videos and TV ads and whatever comes my way. If there's a brand out there watching this and want to sponsor me, link me. Yeah, I do multiple things at a time. I still will play music. If somebody gets out to me, Anansi-Man, I want you to play some bass guitar. I play the bass guitar. For the right price, of course, I'll do it. I do multiple
It's a
things.
hustler, dog. Hustler. Yeah, man. All right. So, one question I want to ask you, all right?
One thing more I have to say. Yeah, remember my merch, theosis.com. Yes, you can support there too.
All right, the links will be in the bio, guys. The links will be in the description and the show notes. Yeah. All right. So one thing I kind of want to ask you about today, somebody posted the video with Onicia, the Jamaican pencil chef, right? And then we were talking about how people behave on social media and how you can get deals and you know what I mean, and the dunce culture and them stuff there. And they kind of make a comment, but you don't really want to say much, right?
I say, I mind my business.
Yeah, mind your business. But tell me about that. What you didn't mean by that, no?
I just like I ain't saying nothing. That's all I was saying. I ain't gonna say nothing.
No, but more want you say something now.
My opinion is what you want.
More want your opinion now.
I just think that people need to educate themselves. It's not just man on camera and that is the end of it. At the end of the day, you're gonna get contracts. I've gotten a lot of contracts already. Right? You have to read your contract because
you have to read your contracts, guys.
Yes, you can't sign away your life, basically. Sign away your funds. Sign away. You have to be able to read, right? So you have to be educated to do this. And even like talking to a brand, like if you're talking to like a CEO or something right now, just by the way you're talking, you might not get that deal.
For sure.
Yeah. I'm very mindful of the words I'm saying. I could definitely say more, but I'm just trying to hold it back. If you know, you know, because I know better. Yeah? If you know,
guys.
you know.
So he's very media trained.
Yeah.
I am not.
But I can't say it to me.
When I take up on a blood clot book. All right. But yeah, guys. But yeah, for real, man, I definitely agree with you, and I definitely agree with the sentiments that, just because you have 500,000 followers on social media, that not gonna away, guys. All right. Stay in school. All right, get to the
I
education.
don't want to say nah go no way, no. My way of saying it is great.
No, me
Right,
not. No, me not kill it.
you
You know. Hold on there.
need-
Hold on there. I feel like you misunderstand me. Me not kill it.
No,
you know.
not me. Me I
Social
say for the people in because they
Oh.
don't play for jump in your comment
Alright.
section. Me use
Brother,
for
I'm gonna
this,
tell you
know.
the truth. It no matter. You can
Oh.
explain something time and time and time and
Yeah.
time and time again. People them still gonna run in on you. Them still gonna cuss you. Still gonna cuss you. So it don't really matter. But me just I say, guys, nothing wrong if you want the social media. Social media is a very lucrative business, but make sure you want to get something in on the head. Right? Nobody try like promote this dunce culture. Nobody feel like say, you know, social media is the way. Right? Sometimes you need the education for really maximize upon your earning potential. All right. So don't just be like, okay, I say a man, you can just go on social media, taps and roses, and that is it. No, man. Stay in school, guys.
And a lot of people would say, hey, well, if me have the money, me just pay somebody for do that for me. Yes, but those people can also rob you.
Rob you. Rob
You
you
go pay
blind.
one accountant and the accountant go put off $1 million for themselves a year and you not
And
know the
rob you.
difference.
And rob you. And then when you get the
Yeah, but
contracts,
still check over your business yourself.
and then when you get all the contracts them too, the deals them, you have to read because some of the times them
Not
too,
just read, but read and understand.
read and understand because some of them have some implied terms and conditions where will literally like mess you up.
Me a laugh, but me know never gonna use ChatGPT. That's a good idea though. But
Use hey.
ChatGPT can help.
Hey,
you,
me not kill ChatGPT cause enough time I get some contract at the time, me just load up the contract them in a ChatGPT and then ChatGPT do the thing for me.
Yeah.
But guys, for be responsible, get a lawyer for look at it, all right? Make the lawyer look at the contract. Don't just, that's the best thing. Get a real professional to look at the contract. All right, so Conroy, what can we expect to see from you now in the future?
Greatness. That's all I have to say. They don't believe with us. God did. Big up DJ Khaled. Yeah. That's all them need to know.
Greatness.
Except greatness. There's a lot of things coming my way. Them say I don't need to say it, do it. Actions speak louder than words. So just watch and see. I don't need to tell you guys. You will see it. You will live to see it. So stay safe so you can live to see it. If you're bad mind, we still want you to see it. See it? So stay safe, people. You hear that? Yeah. Yeah, and all of my fans, them say me always be positive about that too. Big up everybody we always watch my thing and, you know, truly believe and support. You hear? Big up for yourself.
All right. I love that. So yo, Conroy, no, but I feel like say you get way, you know.
Because me no want to get away. I can't climb tree. I can't climb the building over there. So I me no want to get away. That's why. You know.
All right, you're the one. But see ya, I have a game for you. Truth or drink. All right? So you're going to take a shot for this if you don't answer the question.
Yeah.
So just make sure you answer the question.
I'm not worried about that.
All right.
Take no shot.
All right. So we're going to start with the first one. All right.
My mind ain't enough for right, you know, you say me just have to answer truthfully. All right, go on.
All right. What the wickedest thing a woman ever do?
Well, everybody get bunny come on now, so you're not really that wicked at this point. It's wicked, but it's normal. Me know you get it too. Nobody act like you
So wait,
get
hold on.
it.
Hold on. I know me we are talking about, you know. Are you we are talking about?
Yeah, but
I know me we are talking about.
Yeah.
You we are talking about. All right. So that's the wickedest thing.
Yeah, we're not go down in the detail. That's not part of it.
All right. Who's the most famous person that slid in your DMs?
You know my DM?
The most famous.
I have to think about it. Lord have mercy.
So much famous people are. Jeez, easy now.
man,
Celebrities, you know.
Me never know.
You don't even know?
Never sit down and think about that.
All
before.
right. Just give me one name. Just drop one name. The most famous person or
What
any
them
famous.
message me?
Yeah.
Me no know. And that I truth. Me no know.
You don't know.
No.
Really?
Because I can't think of a couple people, but me no want call a name and say, oh, they're more famous than the other person. But me can think about a couple people.
All right. Fair.
Yo, me can answer that.
All right. What's your biggest ick in a partner? Like you know, with a girl or anything. What the biggest thing what she can do for turn you off?
Not being genuine.
Not being
It's
genuine.
not really that hard. Just be one good smarty. Really, honestly. Some people pretend for long. You have to watch them for long, you know.
True.
You have to watch them for long. Give them like 6 months to a year. I only for time that, but you have to wait because people pretend for a while and then we start through after. And that's the truth.
All right. What's your most toxic trait?
Probably my confidence.
Really?
Yeah, as crazy as that sound. The people not like that.
Okay.
Sometimes people, especially like a lady, would try to like manipulate you. And because me not really care or you know really
not really knock
like,
you.
Yeah, so that a lot of people can't see that.
I see.
Yeah, so
all right. So
that I can think of at the moment. Maybe there's something that I'm not thinking about. Maybe somebody else could tell you what it is. I don't know. That's what I could think about.
All right. Have you ever linked someone you weren't proud of?
Link somebody.
Like, you know, you deal with a 1B and thing, you prefer for kind of keep or kind of hush.
Well, I say, a lot of things we're not proud of, but I mean,
we all have them days, man. We all have them days. You know,
it doesn't really matter to me. So I never even thought about not being proud. I just do whatever I want, honestly.
All right.
That's all I can say about that.
All right. Have you ever been the side piece? The man on the side?
They must have wondered what kind of Anansi-Man this. Listen, this is not Spider-Man. Do not compare me to Spider-Man. This is Anansi. I'm Jamaican and I am being Jamaican. So I don't want nobody can criticize. You know what criticize if I want? Because I'm not really business. Again, Anansi this. Zin? So it don't really matter. Go on.
So you did, yeah. So you did, you know,
I'm the authentic Jamaican. That's every time people see a Jamaican in a movie, they always say, why they always get some American person acting like they talk Jamaican, acting like... Well, see, I get the real thing, you know. No complain.
All right, there you go. So
Thank
answer the
you very
question
much.
now.
Okay,
So answer
okay, what was the question again?
All right. All right. Have you ever been the one on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
And it was set up that way since the beginning. The person know themselves. I'm not calling nobody.
All right. So do you prefer to be on the side or the main? You know, you have some people who prefer to be on the
think
side.
about none of them things no more. I am a married man, guys, okay?
Okay.
I don't even need to think about these things. All I think about is work every day.
Work
nothing
every day.
else. And
all
that's
right.
honest. That's my truth. Truth, you said, oh? Truth. I ain't even, them sitting there even cross my mind.
All right. There you go. Have you ever cheated or helped someone cheating?
Help somebody cheating. How that go? But what domino game I talk about? Yeah, man, we cheat but domino game all the while and card game. I used to practice magic sometime, you know, so I can make a card disappear.
All right. Who in your phone would cause problems in your current relationship?
Nobody.
All right, there you go.
Make quick for black people. If they say nothing too hard, one block. You can use that below.
Block and delete.
Yeah, you cause my problem. I don't have no problem.
All right. Has anybody ever slid in the DMs and they were successful?
I mean, somebody message me
and then you know them, you just knock it.
Why? No, I mean, no, I touch that topic. That I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that blatantly. Just answer that the question. So. That one, them can't answer it. Truthfully, that is also the truth. The truth is I can't answer it.
All right. You know what? We're gonna give my blind, guys, because the answer quite a bit of the questions them and things. So we're just gonna just any right.
Just understand anything I can say, you know.
All right, let's see how it works. The man have him image. I'm not going to kill him for that. You see me?
Ask me off camera.
All right, we're going to do this off the record. All right, but cool, man. But you don't know again, Conroy, man. Big up yourself, man. I'm really grateful to you come in and you just, give me that interview and thing, man. Say, you're a superstar. I rate what you do for the culture. Just go and do your thing. Just be consistent and just do it the righteous way. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The righteous way. My way.
There you go. But before we go, though, do you want to say something? Can you say something like to the viewers and thing, your supporters, your fan base before we wrap up?
Well, I mean, if you believe in something, you just do it. Even if you don't have no support, you have yourself. Support yourself. This whole time I started this thing, I'm me and myself alone. So when I see people come along, I thank them. But me still remember say when I start, I'm me and myself. You see it? So believe in yourself. That's all I have to say.
All right.
And thank you for supporting everybody.
All right, my brother, you don't know it, go man. Just go and keep the thing good, guys. All right. So, guys, if you enjoyed that interview and thing, don't hesitate, right? To hit the subscribe button, all right? Make sure you like, share, and comment as well. If you're streaming on Spotify and Apple, leave me a review, all right? All right, guys, you don't know the thing, go again. Bless up on yourself, enough love. All right.
That is it.
That is it.